Hello everyone guys, welcome back to my channel. Many people ask me how to stay motivated during a loss or a series of losses. First of all, don't panic and try to be calm. You have to check your trading plan because your statistic is everything. If before you experienced success, then you will figure it out that such moments are just temporary. So don't forget to stick to your plan. But if you're a new trader, don't forget to learn from your mistakes, try to analyze where everything went wrong. Also, try to be positive and take breaks when you really need it. I believe in you guys, you will be able to achieve what you want only if you keep walking the path. For those who doesn't know even from where to start, I have trading signals, guys. Well, these are my trading signals. They're totally for free, so you can try them out, and I share them in my closed group. Guys, if you want to get them super easy, text me a code word signal. I will leave all the links down below. Guys, it's time to start our trading session. I'm super excited. I hope you're also excited. Let's go! So guys, today we'll trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis we are going to use Parabolic SAR Indicator. Guys, this indicator will help us to determine the pivot points, and in turn it will help us to analyze the market. So guys, I'll remind you how this indicator works. I already have it connected, all the settings left by default. It looks like yellow dots located at the top and bottom of our graph. And the signal is the moment when, for example, dots begin to form above the graph. This means that the price will move down in the near future. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we could open a deal down. At the same time, when, for example, points begin to form under the chart, it means that the price will move up. And in similar situation, we could open a deal up. Also, for example, when the price moves in the correction zone, at such moments the indicator forms yellow dots on top of the chart and under the chart. But this indicator has one feature: it starts to give a signal late. Therefore, I don't recommend using the signals of this indicator or such trading corridors, because the narrower the price range, the more often the price will change its direction. As you understand, the price will move from the upper level to the lower one. Therefore, at such moments when the price changes direction, very often this indicator will give a delayed signal, and you won't be able to catch a good entry point. Therefore, as you understand, friends, this indicator is not very effective in the price corridors, but with the help of this indicator you can work on uptrends and downtrends, as well as on price rollback from the level and on reversals. It is today that we'll look for similar working situation and try to make profit. At the same time, of course, we'll pay attention to the levels of support and resistance, also on the trading situation in general, and only a combination of technical analysis and the hits of this indicator will give us a good results. The experience of a trader is also very important, and the more experience, the more profitable deals. So guys, be sure to watch this video till the end. You will see how I work with Parabolic SAR Indicator, and perhaps you will like the way I trade and you would like to implement this way of trading on your own. So guys, I suggest we get started and find the first entry point. So here we see that from a certain point the price has turned around and is confidently moving down and approaching our level. At the same time, there's very little space left to support level. I suggest in this situation we will open a deal down because the price has an excellent potential to go down. Also, our entry point is confirmed by the indicator and points are formed above the chart. Just at the moment the price is moving down quite impulsively, we will try to make money on this downward movement. I hope that 1 minute will quite enough, and so guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continued to move down and we made a profit. I correctly managed to predict further price movement and the indicator helped us in this. So guys, I think it's a great start. Let's continue. Here we have resistance level. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the price is approaching our level, and there is a kind of compression. Points are also formed under the graph. This means that an upward movement is expected. I suggest opening a deal here for 1 minute up. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future because the price is in excellent potential to increase. It is quite possible that I will get into the very impulsive movement of the price up into the very breakdown of the level. Just at the moment a confident impulsive green candle continues to form, that is just at the moment the level is breaking through. It is on this upward movement that we'll try to make money, guys. As a rule, in such situation 1 minute is just quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Alright, not bad guys, not bad at all, as the price continued to move up and we get a confident profit. This situation has really worked great. I have just managed to make money on breaking through the resistance level. Everything is going great. Let's continue guys and find another situation. So here we have resistance level. We also see that after touching the level there was a pullback down. And so after a pullback from a certain point, the price turned around and moved up. Green candles are forming. At the same time, we also see that the overall price potential is going up. At the same time, points are also formed under the graph. This means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. In this situation, it's just opening a deal for 2 minutes up in the uptrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 2 minutes will be quite enough for us in this case. 2 minutes is the time with the margin, taking into account the possible correction or rollback down, because guys, as you understand, the price can move in waves. Even with an upward movement there are pullbacks downwards, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Alright guys, not bad. As you can see, indeed after a slight downward pullback the upward movement continued and we made a profit here. 2 minutes was just enough for us guys. We managed to make money with you on this upward movement and the indicator helped us in this. Well, it's just that we continue to find another situation on the market. We have a level of support down here. At the same time, we can see that there has been an upward pullback from the level. And so, after a pullback from a certain point, the price turned around. At the moment, red candles are starting to form. Also, at the same time, dots begin to appear above the graph. This means that a downward movement is expected. We also see that the overall price potential is mainly going down. In this situation, it's just opening a deal with a margin of 3 minutes down. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level. We will try to make money on this downward movement. 3 minutes is also the time with the margin, taking into account the possible correction or a pullback of the price up. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move downwards and we made a profit here. As you can see, the indicator again helped us to determine the further price movement. This situation really works well guys. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. We have a resistance level at the top here, and we also see that after touching the level there was a pullback down, and after the rollback the price turned around. At the moment green candles are forming. At the same time we can see that the price minimum has been updated and is becoming higher than the previous one. Yellow dots are also formed under the graph. This means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. We will also open a deal with you here for 3 minutes up in the uptrend. I think the price will continue to move direct towards the resistance level. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 3 minutes will be quite enough in this situation guys. So guys, let's wait for them. Well guys, after a slight pullback downwards, the upward movement continued and we got the profit here. The price really has a good potential for growth. As you can see, good confident green candles continue to form. Also, the indicator turned out to be right and suggested us a really good entry point. Technical analysis in combination with the indicator works well guys. Let's continue. So here we see the resistance level. At the same time there was a downward rollback from the level, and after it the price turned around and is approaching our level. Also points are formed under the graph. I suggest here opening a deal with 2-minute margin up in an uptrend, because the price here also has an excellent potential for growth. It is more likely the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be broken. We will try to make money on this upward movement, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Not bad, not bad, guys. The price continued to move towards the level and we made a profit here. As you can see, 2 minutes here was just perfect for us. The indicator also turned out to be right again and suggested us a really good entry point. The price has an excellent potential to go up. We have managed to make money with you on this upward movement. Everything is going great. Let's continue. We have a level of support here. We also see that after touching the level, there was an upward pullback. And after the pullback, the price fell into the correction zone and moved in a certain range. At the same time, we also see that at the moment dots are forming above the graph. There is a downward movement is expected in the near future. I suggest opening a deal here for 2 minutes down. It is quite possible that the price will continue to move towards the level because the price doesn't have a bad downward potential. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. I hope that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough. We will take into account the possible correction, guys. But we see that recently the price is still significantly approaching the level. Well, guys, let's wait for them to follow a deal. Amazing! As you can see, the price has continued to move down and we made a profit again. 2 minutes was perfect for us. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again and suggested us a good entry point. The price really continued to move towards the level. I have managed to earn on this downward movement. Well, in the meantime, I already have $3,500 on my deposit and I suggest, guys, to open another last deal for today. So give me a bit of time and we will continue. Alright, here we can see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. After touching the level, there was a pullback down, and after the pullback, the price turned around. At the moment, green candles are forming, the price is approaching the resistance level. We also see that the first dot has appeared under the graph. This means that an upward movement is expected in the near future, and in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up in the uptrend. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level, and it is also quite possible that this level will be broken through, because we also see that the overall price potential is going up, the main price lows are getting higher, there is a certain compression of the resistance level. It is on this upward movement that we'll try to earn, guys. So let's watch the price and see what kind of result we will get. Great, guys, the price continued to move up. This level has also been broken through and we made a profit here. I have managed to earn on this upward movement. The indicator also turned out to be right again and it gave us a good entry point. Meanwhile, I already have $6,000 on my deposit and I suggest that we end this because I fulfilled my trading plan for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were able to learn something new. As you can see, to work with Parabolic SAR can be a bit tricky, but can be also useful if you know how to use this indicator. Well, guys, you can try this on your own. Just try to connect this indicator and try to find similar situations which we had today on the market. Also, don't forget about my closed community where I share my trading signals. It can be really helpful for you. And also don't forget to support this video. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I wish you to have successful trading sessions. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.